Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for My Creative Scrapbook. Today I am creating a layout with the June main kit, and this amazing kit features the Simple Stories Pack Your Bags collection. It also included a few pieces of pattern paper from Vicki Boutin Where to Next, and I am using some of those papers on this layout. Also included in the kit is some stickers from Echo Park Paper Go See Explore collection, and I'll be using some of this on this layout as well. I'm going to start out by layering some of the Vicki Boutin papers on my layout. The background paper is from Vicki Boutin Where to Next, and all I did was trim the cloud pattern paper, and because the text on the back side, I wanted it to stick out beyond that cloud paper, and I didn't have enough paper there. I just trimmed it down the middle, and then I could move it apart and put that cloud pattern paper on top. I have some photos here from our trip to New York, and we went to the Empire State Building when there was zero visibility. We were only in New York for 2 days, so we thought, you know what? We're going to go up anyway. We could see absolutely nothing. It looked like cotton candy out there. The clouds were everywhere. We couldn't see a thing. But I insisted on getting the photos that they take of everybody when you go. I still have these photos in that I can scrapbook, and I can still say, yes, I was at the top of the Empire State Building, even though I couldn't see anything. I have mounted my photos on some white cardstock and put some foam tape and recycling some chipboard behind it. I am using a ViewMaster cut file here with hearts, which I think goes really well with the travel theme of this collection. And I back that with some of the pink and red grid pattern paper from the Pack Your Bags collection from Simple Stories. I wanted to create a cluster with my title on the left side of the photos. I have over here a tag that I trimmed in half again so that I could put part of each half of this tag on either side of my photo. And then I put a suitcase there. Die-cut ephemera pieces from this Simple Stories collection were rather large. It's easy to layer the title on top of all of these pieces because they're so large. And then I have the foam title, Ready for an Adventure, over the top of that. Then I have another cluster going on in the upper right part of my photo here with that ViewMaster that I have there. And then I'm using some stickers from the Go See Explore Echo Park Paper collection that was included in the kit. And I have the airplane here, which I put some, it's a sticker, so I put some foam tape behind it because I wanted to pop it up in some places, and baby powder on the back of the sticker so that I can use the foam tape then to pop it up and the rest of the sticker won't stick down on my layout. I have another tag on here that is a sticker, that travel tag that's peeking up there. And I also cut that in half because you don't see the bottom half anyway. And I decided I would fussy cut out the blue airplane that was on the bottom part of that tag. There are some fun pattern papers that I trimmed apart to get the subway and metro, and the tickets here that I am using are from another Vicki Boutin pattern paper. And it works really nice for layering in here on the side where it looks like there's a bunch of tickets anyway peeking out and a timetable with times. So it worked out really well. There's a red foam heart I'm going to put above my title directly onto the photo. One of the things I like to do so my layouts don't look so flat and give them a little bit of dimension is to rough up the edges of my layers. That cloud pattern paper and the pattern paper with the travel text on it, I'm just going to go up and down the sides of the paper and rip it in a few places and bend it and until I get the look that I want. And then I'm going to add some hemp twine to my tags here. That yay tag, I'm going to add some hemp twine through the hole, and also the travel and that striped bottle tab there too in the upper right of my layout. And that is pretty much my layout. My Creative Scrapbook puts together 4 kits every month. Again, I am using the main kit. They also have a creative kit, a limited edition kit, and an album kit. So there is truly something for every kind of scrapbooker that there is. Please go check them out. They are amazing, and there's lots of inspiration from the designers to spark your mojo. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.